Hi everybody, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today is January 28th, 2011. Been a pretty good week. I did a video on Monday. We had a great day Monday. I had mentioned I would be working on Pro Trader videos and the launch of Pro Trader. We're getting pretty close to that finally. So be on the lookout if you're not a student for the upcoming public webinar for Pro Trader Automated Strategy. Let's talk about the week. We had a lot of volume this week. Today, market came really close to 1300 on the S&P E-minis, dropped down about 1270 just about after the closing bell, and had a nice ride down. Really good day. I've said many a times when the volume picks up right around mid-January, we tend to see a lot more trades and things start picking up. December and January tend to get slow for us. We still have the ability to make a point a day. It's just based on lower volume. Sometimes it takes longer. Today we had a one and done. In fact, every day this week we had a one and done except for Thursday. Thursday we started off with a 4-tick loser, followed by an 8-tick winner, and then 2 winners after that. So it's a really good day. Now Friday today I was in my trading room and I want to talk about our trades today. You'd notice here's the opening bell right here about 9:30, and we get a long signal. Well, based on the system rules that I teach in my Tick Trader course, this is not a valid signal. Good thing too, because it would have been a losing trade. So instead we took the long EET trade and we rode that up for 4 ticks. Now the potential is always there for any trade to go 4 ticks, 8 ticks, 10 ticks, whatever. But we were coming into no zone, and what that tells us is we expect a little bit of sideways action. And obviously it did break out. We did just make 4 ticks on that trade. Hindsight's 2020. We could have made more profit off that trade. But I want to point out one more trade, which is our super EET trade. This is one of my favorite trades. Now let me premise that by saying when we come out of no zone, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that the NSC coming out of no zone is a high probability trade. And that was the case today. The kick here today is that this signal came right around 9:50, 9:51, and we had a report at 9:55. So I don't like to trade reports. So you could have jumped in and really quickly got out right before the report. I don't like it. Looks really good on paper, looks really good on the chart, but bottom line is I would not have taken that trade. What I would have taken, and a lot of my students grabbed today, was the super EET. Okay, and EET is more of an aggressive trade because it's counter trend, but it gets you in the direction of the upcoming NSC. So, and that's exactly what happened. Plus, in this instance, we had an extra 5 minutes before the report. So we had the short EET here, and that easily makes 4 ticks. But then we get the NSC, which is a high probability trade, and we kind of stayed in just a little bit longer to get a few more ticks, and then jumped out before the report. So a lot of students wrote this down for 2 more points. That was a good 3-point day by 10 o'clock. So really good day, quick day. It was a really great week. It's nice to see the volume picking back up. Again, with the market coming close to 1300, we're going to start seeing a lot more action. I believe we have a lot of news coming up, a lot of things hitting. So we'll see you next week. And again, be on the lookout for the upcoming Pro Trader Automated Strategy webinar, which we'll hopefully have within the next couple of weeks. Thanks.